If Steam is showing error 256, don't worry. This is usually an unknown login-related issue caused by a corrupted or stale authentication token stored on your PC. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix Steam error 256 step by step. And I'll also show you how to do it safely without deleting your games. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it. First, we're going to remove the Userdata folder. This folder stores local login information and cloud sync data, and when that token gets stale, it can trigger error 256. To start, make sure Steam is completely closed. Don't just minimize it, fully exit it. If needed, open Task Manager and end any Steam processes that are still running. Now, open File Explorer and go to your Steam installation folder. On most computers, that will be /program files x86/Steam. Inside that folder, look for a folder called Userdata. This is the folder we want to deal with. You can either delete it completely or, if you want to be extra safe, move it to your desktop as a backup first. Before you continue, keep in mind that deleting Userdata will reset some local Steam settings and login related data, but it will not delete your installed games. Your game library is still safe. Once you've removed the folder, restart Steam and log in manually again. In many cases, this alone is enough to clear the stale token and get Steam working again. If you're still seeing error 256, the next step is to manually clear the Steam web cache. A lot of people try the built-in clear cache option, but when this error is active, that button often doesn't work properly, so we're going to do it manually. First, close Steam again, then press Windows key +R to open the run box. Type %local app data % and press enter. This will take you to the local app data directory. From there, find the Steam folder and open it. Inside, locate the Htmlcache folder and delete it. This removes cached web data that can sometimes interfere with Steam's login and authentication process. Once that's done, go ahead and reopen Steam and check if the error is gone. If it still appears, we'll move on to the final fix, which is flushing or repairing the Steam service. This background service helps handle security handshakes, and if it gets stuck, it can cause login problems like error 256. To do this, close Steam one more time, then press Windows key +R, type CMD, and instead of pressing enter normally, press Ctrl, Shift, and enter together to open command prompt as an administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Now type the Steam service repair command. If Steam is installed in the default location, enter this exactly, quotation marks, /program files x86 /steam/bin/steamservice.exe, then a space, then /repair. If your Steam folder is installed somewhere else, just update the path to match your setup. Press enter and let the command finish. This may take a moment, so give it time to complete properly. Once it's done, restart your computer if needed, then relaunch Steam and try signing in again. By this point, one of these three methods should have fixed Steam error 256. Deleting the Userdata folder, clearing the Htmlcache folder, or repairing the Steam service. These steps are safe, effective, and they target the most common cause of this error, which is a corrupted authentication token stored locally on your PC. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Steam error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.